The Whirling Heart of Konya. The Whirling Heart of Konya. Kerem stepped off the train, blinking in the bright sunlight. Wow, Ayla, is this really the city where history and wheat fields meet? Ayla grinned, pulling him toward a waiting car. Welcome to Konya, Kerem. It's the oldest city in the Anatolian plains, and it's huge. We have so much to show you. Their drive quickly took them out of the center and into the open countryside. Kerem gasped. Look at all that green. It just goes on forever. Ayla nodded. That's the beautiful secret of Konya. We are famous for our agriculture. Miles and miles of grain grow here, feeding much of Turkey. The plains are so flat and wide. Soon, they reached the ancient part of the city. Ayla pointed to some massive stone walls. This used to be the capital city during the mighty Seljuk period, hundreds of years ago. The Seljuks built incredible mosques and schools. We are walking where sultans once walked. But the most famous place was the Mevlana Museum. This is where the great poet and philosopher, Mevlana Rumi, lived and taught about love and tolerance. Ayla whispered as they approached the iconic turquoise dome. He is famous all over the world. After hours of walking, Kerem was hungry. Time for the best food in Konya, Ayla declared. They sat at a small, bustling restaurant and ordered etlikmek. It was a long, thin flatbread, baked with savory ground meat on top. It's like a super long pizza, Kerem said, taking a huge, happy bite. Ayla took him through a quieter neighborhood. People think Konya is just about Rumi and Islam, but history is layered here, she explained. There are also very old churches here, like the one built by St. Paul's followers centuries ago. History includes everyone who ever lived on this land. That evening, they watched a group of people practicing a Sufi whirling ceremony. Kerem watched the peaceful turning movements, feeling the quiet, calm energy. Rumi taught that music and dance could bring you closer to the universe, Ayla explained softly. As the sun set, Ayla led Kerem up a small hill overlooking the city. The lights began to twinkle across the vast Anatolian plain, spreading out under the wide, clear sky. From the mighty Seljuks to the fields of wheat, from Rumi's wisdom to our delicious bread, Kerem sighed. Konya is truly a city with a whirling heart. The next morning, it was time for Kerem to leave. He hugged Ayla tightly. Thank you for showing me all the natural beauty and the deep, deep history. I learned so much about the Seljuk Empire and Rumi. Just promise me you'll practice your Turkish until you come back, Ayla teased. Kerem smiled, looking back at the dome of the Mevlana Museum one last time. He knew the whirling heart of Konya would wait for him.